All right, good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. I'm actually recording this on Sunday, and I do apologize. I am still pretty stuffed up and not feeling 100%. But I wanted to go ahead and record a lesson for you guys because I think it's going to be easier than trying to get on the little tiny screen of Google Meet and everything else. So all of you are going to be able to see this on your Google Classroom. You're going to watch one today and tomorrow and possibly on Wednesday. I'll let you know. You're also going to do the same thing for reading. I'm going to record myself teaching the lesson and then explain to you what to do. The first thing I want to tell you guys, though, you took a math test on Friday, and it was my fault. That wasn't what you were supposed to take. You're supposed to take that test on Thursday. I still have some more lessons to teach you and a review to do. Okay, so you were not supposed to do that math test. So I graded it because I wasn't feeling very well and I was really out of it and confused, and it wasn't a great test. So we're just going to completely trash it and redo it after we do a couple more lessons and after we do a review, because then I think you guys will feel a lot better about it. So if you're with me now, you need to be on pages 397 and 399. You need to have those torn out. And we're going to be talking about problem solving, but I'm not going to mess with this first page. We're just going to go ahead and skip to the next page on 398. So it says an animal shelter has 23 cats and 14 dogs. How much would it cost to adopt one cat and one dog? Tell what facts are missing. Okay, so if we look at the picture here, it tells us what the price is, right? It's $35 and $40. But when we look at the excuse me, when we look at the actual problem, it doesn't tell us how much they cost. So we need to know how much they cost. So you would write in here, we do not know the price. And I'm not going to write the whole sentence. I'm just going to write the price. Okay. Oh, this says what facts do you know? I'm sorry. So we know how many dogs there are and how many cats. So we know how many dogs and how many cats. So I'm just going to do number. It's a number sign or a hashtag. Number of. Let me go get my pen. Let me pause this. Okay. So now I have this. So I'm going to erase this and try again here. Oh. All right. So we know the number of dogs and cats. We need to find out the price. We need the price. All right. Now, what's our plan? We're going to check. We're going to look at the pictures, okay? So we're going to look at the pictures. And what does the picture tell us? That a cat is $35 and a dog is $40. So we're going to solve it. So we're going to add 35 plus 40, which equals what? I'm going to write it like this, because this is the way we should be solving these problems. It equals 75. Does our answer make sense? I'm not going to make you write anything here. Yes, it makes sense. $75 for one cat and one dog. 35 plus 40 equals 75. Okay? So you have to look at everything with the problem. You can't just look at the actual problem here. That's what they want us to, that's what they're trying to teach us, okay? So let's go to our next page. And let me get my screen cleared off here. Okay. So it says, determine if there is, extra or missing information to solve each problem. Then solve if possible. So Mrs. Friedman had 2 boxes of chalk. She brought 4 more boxes home. She bought 4 more boxes with 10 pieces each. She paid $2 per box. How much did she spend on the 4 boxes of chalk? Okay, so first, we don't need to know how many pieces of chalk there were. It doesn't matter how many pieces of chalk. So I'm just going to X that out. But I need to know that she paid $2 per box. And I need to know that she, on 4 boxes. So I also don't need to know that she already had 2 boxes. I just need to know that she paid $2 per box. And they were four boxes total. So that means I need to take 4 times 2 and that equals 8, which means she spent $8. Okay? Now it says Bert bought 4 of each of the items below. How much change did he get back? Well, how would we know? Do we know this? Do we know the answer to this? So we can tell. Let me zoom in a little bit here. It says he bought 4 of each of the items below. How much change did he get back? Well, we can tell that he spent 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. We know he spent $6. Well, actually, no, he's bought 4 of each. So he got $8 in pencils, $4 in paper, and $12 for binders. Add all of that up, we can get our answer, but we don't know how much he gave. We don't know if he gave him $50. We don't know if he gave him $100. So we can't solve this problem. So, cannot solve. There's not enough info. Okay? All right. Number 3. It says Alejandra is 58 inches tall. Her sister is in the first grade and is 10 inches shorter than Alejandra. What known fact, when doubled, is equal to the height of Alejandra's sister? Okay? So we need to know if Alejandra is 58 inches and her sister's 10 inches shorter, we need to subtract 10, which equals 48. Now, what times what equals 48? And I'm sorry, I actually explained that wrong. So it is 48, but we need to think about what known fact, when doubled, is equal to the height of Alejandra's sister. So you actually need to think about a fact. What do you double to get 48? So it's 24 plus 24 equals 48. So we know that. So 24 plus 24 equals 48. But what is our fact? What do we take? What times what equals 24? We could do 2 times 12 or 4 times 6. Or down here, I just want you to write 24 plus 24 equals 48. I don't know why they wanted you to do all those extra steps. That just seems a little bit silly. Okay? But the double fact is 24 plus 24. All right, so let's look here what we have. It says 10 of Eduardo's baseball cards are all-star cards. His friend has 4 times as many all-star cards. How many all-star baseball cards does his friend have? Okay. So we have to figure out first if we can even solve the problem. So 10 of Eduardo's baseball cards are all-star cards. His friend has 4 times as many all-star cards. So we can do this one. This one would be 4 times 10, which equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. He has 10. His friend has 4 times as many as him. That tells us in the problem. Okay? The 3rd grade class had 4 chicks hatch every day for 5 days. 9 of the chicks were yellow and the rest were brown. How many chicks hatched in all? Okay, so obviously we don't need to know their colors. So we're going to just cross that out. So now let's reread the problem. The 3rd grade class had 4 chicks hatch every day for 5 days. How many chicks hatched in all? So we know that there are 4 chicks every day for 5 days. So we need to take 4 times 5, and that equals 20. All right, number 6. 4 friends bought a total of 24 computer games. Each friend bought the same number of games. How many games did each friend buy? Okay. So we know we have 24, and we need to put it into 4 equal groups until we run out. Okay, so I'm going to give each one 1, and I'm going to count until I get to 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so I had 24 into 4 equal groups. How many do I have in each group? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that 24 divided into 4 equal groups equals 6. Okay? All right, number 7. There are 4 sheets of stickers. Each sheet has 7 stickers. Kyla gives 1 sheet of stickers to her friend. How many stickers does she have left? Okay, so first let's figure out how many she started with. So we need to find 4 stickers. She has 4 sheets, and each one has 7. So 4 times 7 equals 28. But she gave 1 sheet of stickers to her friend. So we need to take 28 minus 7, which equals 21. So she has 21 stickers left. Okay, so how many dots will there be altogether if there are 2 dominoes like the one below? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dots. So it would be 12 times 2, which equals 24. So there would be 24 dots. Okay? All right. So that is all for your math book. You guys can put that back in the Keep It Home side of your folder. Okay? Give me 1 second here. I'm going to pause. Okay, so now under Admentum, I'll show you here. It's called Super Salads. I need you all to go through and work through that. You have until 9:15 until you take your restroom break. My friends who are not in Clubhouse, you can keep working on this until you get it finished, okay? All right. I'm going to do another video for you guys to watch, and you guys are kind of all doing this at your own time because you're all watching this independently on your Chromebooks, okay? So I'll have another video for you guys to watch for reading time, okay? All right, so work hard on this math and then get logged back on, and you're going to find this same thing. It's going to be a video, just today's video under reading, okay? All right. I can't wait to see you guys one more week, okay? Week from today, I'll be back. All right. Bye, guys. Take care.